Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Moto Camping Club. That's like the... If you want to join the Moto Camping Club, you actually have to buy this tent.
That's not true, because I don't have that tent and I'm in the Moto Camping Club.
Are you in the Moto Camping Club? Do you have a sticker or merch? Where's your merch? I'm wearing a Ducati NYC shirt. And he's wearing Moto Camping shirt. What are you wearing? Calvin Klein V-neck?
Yeah.
You fucking loser. You were in the wrong campsite. Go to the Calvin Klein campsite. Ladies and gents, we're camping. I don't have much to say, but the fire is going. And this is NYC Scrambler and Right Thing Motos. Because this is a Motovlog, so I can't call you by your normal names.
Wait, are you going to show my face, though? You got to block my face.
I'm going to show your lower body, because that's how people know you for the most part.
That's definitely true.
Buy the merch. Yo, Moto Camping Club. Look it up on the internet. I don't know where the store is, but...
It's on there.
Yeah, it's on there. Just look it up.
Google that
Yo,
shit.
the more shirts you buy, the harder we camp. No, yeah, right.
The better steaks we eat.
But we have a steak. But the problem is we didn't bring any seasoning in whatsoever. So that's a lesson. I thought I brought some salt packets, but I didn't. And then we got some sausages. And then all sorts of... We got more steaks. I'm actually legit going to put them in my tent.
Do it.
If a bear eats me. But you guys don't want to eat them in the morning? I think it's fine. You guys are nuts. Put them in the river.
Yeah, put them in the river, boss. Put the raw meat in the river. It's fine. Stop talking about it.
Yeah, stop talking about that. So this piece of bark caught fire. Because we're building up coals right now, so we can...
Bark caught on fire. Nice.
Yeah. We're going to cook more of those sausages and another steak or two.
I got some beans, too, in case we want to really, like, fart it up.
But I'll show you my setup really quick. This is my tent. It's pretty nice. It's my sweet Cotty. Birdie Bird's tent.
Don't forget to show my Yamaha.
Oh, I'll show it. But this is the nicest tent here. One day will be as cool as this. He's got like a 6-person tent. You can fit a bushel of people. And this
family, you know, I'm a family man.
And this is his Harley Davidson. Heard of it? And now, the crown jewel. Look at this, tied to a rock. Look at this shit. Look at the spread of this setup. Look at you. You like tied it up over there. And look at this tent. Same tent as mine. Except he had it for like 2 extra months, so.
Same tent, same sleeping bag.
There you go. Moto Camping Club. That's like the... If you want to join the Moto Camping Club, you actually have to buy this tent.
That's not true, because I don't have that tent and I'm in the Moto Camping Club.
Are you in the Moto Camping Club? Do you have a sticker or merch? Where's your merch? I'm wearing a Ducati NYC shirt. And he's wearing Moto Camping shirt. What are you wearing? Calvin Klein V-neck?
Yeah.
You fucking loser. You were in the wrong campsite. Go to the Calvin Klein campsite.
Where is that campsite? I'll definitely go right now. How fun would that be?
I don't know where I'm taking this joke. Forget it. Forget that one. They have models there. Yeah, dude models. Yeah, they definitely have models, but they're all dudes. You guys can share like workout tips. Okay, let's reset. Let's reset. So yeah, that's the tent. And this is the bike. Look at this. Rossi JM46. I can't tell you what that means. Moto Camping Club. Rick and Morty. Oh, look, you attached it to your bike. You fucking flexing hard. And look at that exhaust. What a nerd. It's a little carbon Akrapovich.
I like the way you said it better than I do.
Akrapovich? But this is the first time I'm seeing it. I like it. It looks neat. And this bike, you can actually fucking finally hear it. Because at first, this bike was just so quiet and gentle. Yeah. Gonna turn it on tomorrow. Hear it. So anyway, that's our setup. And I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow probably. Or maybe later when I'm cooking the sidge. Well, well, well. There he is.
Yep.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bird?
DJ Motovlogs in the house.
Ducati NYC. Face reveal. Alright.
Nice.
Good ride, man.
Yeah, it was nice.
Wait, did you have these before?
No, I just put them on like last month.
Oh.
Yeah.
Little Italian flag. That's a sexy bike.
So dirty. Look how dirty it is. I'll wash it in like 3 months.
That's not dirty. What a beauty. I can't believe you talked badly about this thing.
Yeah, it's nice, man.
Should I
Nice
put
bike.
up here?
Yeah.
Your choice, man. Wherever you want.
Nice.
All right.
I only had room to bring a 6-pack. And while I was putting it, one of them fell down and started just spraying all over.
Did you pound it really quick before, like,
Nah, I
getting
put
back
it
on the
on.
No, we'll make Matt. Matt is coming in the car. So
Oh,
we'll make him get sausages. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, we are walking by the campsites. We're I can't. We're camping over there, and we're walking this way.
Good intro, bro.
This DJ Motovlogs over here. I'm gonna block out his face because he's Enigma. And this is Matt.
Hi.
He doesn't do anything.
He's not on the internet.
No.
Hey, guys.
Hello, hello. Doing great. It's a beautiful night.
You guys on bikes, right?
Yeah.
Where'd you come up from?
Brooklyn from New York. So not too far.
That's not too far.
No, it's like 120 miles.
Yeah, I was telling her this is a big, gotta be a big New York City playground up here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's so nice to get away.
I'll drink to that.
What about you guys? Where are you from?
Alabama.
Oh shit! Are you traveling across the country?
Yeah.
Cheers to that.
Nice.
Cheers, guys.
Hell yeah.
Life for us.
Yeah, my buddy Bird and I, we rode to California a couple years back, and we went through Alabama.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What part?
I can't remember, unfortunately.
That's okay.
No, but yeah, we went through like 18 states. We just kind of zigzagged and
Yeah.
took 3 weeks.
Beats
Yeah.
work. Beats work.
Yes.
Certainly
Yes.
Just nothing
Yeah.
but miles ahead of you every day. It's always
Yeah.
nice.
I'm at a work seminar.
Ah.
Nice.
So how long are you taking? How long are you traveling for?
We'll be a month about.
Okay.
Yeah.
You doing like a loop? You're going back. You're not like shipping the bike back or anything.
Correct.
Yeah. Nice.
No trailers allowed.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful thing.
We get the Rand McNally map and we just take dotted lines.
Yeah. So you don't book anything ahead of time. You just kind of like how you feeling. Yeah. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it.
No rules, no plan.
Yeah.
Nice.
Absolutely.
Sounds awesome.
How about it?
Good stuff.
Ride easy. Try to get into camp halfway early, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
usually we cook, but we got lazy today and ate early and said, let's just do a fire and
Yeah.
do what we do best.
Exactly. Exactly. Nice.
Good.
All right, we'll see.
All right. Well, maybe we'll visit you guys later,
All right.
or come over to our party if you hear it.
We'll come over when you get back.
Perfect.
Where y'all headed?
We're just going across the street to that rock to see what it is.
Oh,
Is there water?
Nah, there's nothing.
No,
that's
no
what
well
I
here.
was just checking.
No water.
We brought water,
Glad
but
we
they-
brought some in.
Yeah.
Faucet doesn't work.
Yeah. No, it's just nature.
We always keep a couple quarts on the bike just
Yeah.
for that reason.
No, totally.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That space.
Yeah, you definitely got plenty of space.
This sounds like a nice trip.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Vlog.
Oh,
Right.
we got a camper.
Good lord. Imagine a state trooper rolls by and we have all these beers. We get arrested. So anyway, as I was saying before we got interrupted by the lovely couple going cross country. I wasn't saying anything, was I? No. So that's Birdie Bird, aka Right Thing Motos. This is like a moto vlogger hangout, except for Matt, who's just a fucking random dude. But that's why he's wearing... Look, all of us are wearing black shirts and like pants and whatnot. And Matt, since he's not a moto vlogger, he's wearing shorts. Look at that turn. That's a beautiful turn here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely cops. Fuck. Hide your beers.
Get out of here.
It's a BMW cop.
We got rich cops out here.
It's like... Dum, 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 dum. There was a girl, little smile there. Oh, ooh, yo, let's chase her down. She's flirting with me. Let's chase her down. Oh shit, those people don't like me yelling probably. Yeah, what the hell is this? Oh, look at the cute little picnic area. Let's smoke a doobie by one of those tables.
Yeah, let's play some soccer.
I wish I had a ball.
What?
Oh boy.
We should
Yo,
pull up.
listen.
Oh, is that them? That's their bike?
Yeah, it's bikers.
They got the full American bike.
Am I still
You're
recording?
blinking, you're going.
What are you
Pull our
saying?
bikes up here before
What's going
we
on?
leave. Take
Huh?
a nice group picture.
Why'd you go like this?
Cool, I like that idea.
Yeah.
Oh, because I couldn't hear the music. I
Oh.
mean, I was actually.
So what is this?
This is for 100 years ago.
La
right
la 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 la. Mm-hmm. Okay.
No climbing this thing.
Put a fucking sticker on it. Fucking Moto Camping Club.
Savage move. They don't put a Ducati in like
Fuck your history, dude.
there. The Environmental Conservation Department.
Oh shit, the BMW chick's back.
Well, hello.
Oh, it is her.
She's like losers.
Yeah.
She's like, those guys are too cool.
She's like, no, she's like, those guys are winners. I would like to win with them.
Yeah.
No, she probably, the thing is, it's like, even though I cover my face as a motovlogger, people do recognize me. She probably was just like, oh, that's Ducati NYC. She was like, oh, I saw his shirt. You know? It's totally common.
Oh, there's a seesaw.
No,
Who wants to do the seesaw? I do.
Do it.
do it.
Let's go.
Oh, I want to go over there. That's the creek.
Oh man, this is some creepy shit.
Yo, we should have camped here.
Oh yeah.
Like right there.
Okay, why don't we?
Nah, but this ground is soggy. 'Cause there's no
Yeah, it's all
coverage.
wet.
Yeah.
True.
Who wants to do pull-ups?
Not me.
Yeah, I just can't.
I wonder if this is like interesting vlog
Oh, this
material.
is super weird.
Probably
It's
not.
supposed to be like absorbable. Yeah. So kids can fall. You wanna do a seesaw vlog?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Sorry, bro. You don't like that.
Oh God, he's doing a video. All right, hold on. I gotta make sure my pants are pulled up because I'm sagging. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Damn, I don't remember this being hard work. Ah, there we go. We got the rhythm.
What is it about kids that always want to fuck the other person over on a seesaw?
You gotta wait till they're at the top and jump off.
Yo, those campsites are kind of dope. The one back there. Yeah, this is enough. This is the worst thing we've ever done.
Yeah, don't post that.
Well, I'm posting this. Like, I'm winded.
Yeah, me too. Hey, where'd Matt go? He disappeared.
He's probably got eaten by a Bel Air witch. All right. Anyway, I'll return back to the vlog later.